In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable account numbers in your chart of accounts. This is especially useful for those looking to streamline their accounting processes by making it easier to identify and track different accounts. To begin, ensure you have logged into your accounting software and have access to the necessary permissions to modify account settings, as this is crucial for following today's steps. First, navigate to the Settings section. You can find this in the upper right corner of your dashboard, often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu that offers a range of configuration options for your account. Look for the section named Account and Settings. This area is your go-to for managing the details and features of your accounting software. Once you're in Account and Settings, view the options arranged in a tabbed format, focusing on the Advanced tab. This tab contains more specific controls that customize how your software operates. It's tailored for users who want to fine-tune their setup to suit their business needs better. Upon entering the Advanced tab, look for the section titled Chart of Accounts. Here's where you'll find options related to the structure and presentation of your accounting framework. You'll see an option labeled Enable Account Numbers. This feature allows each account in your chart of accounts to be identified by a unique number, making organization much more manageable. Toggle that option on, clearly indicating that you'll be using account numbers moving forward. This action may seem simple, but it significantly impacts organizing and sorting your financial records. It helps ensure your accounting practices are both precise and efficient. Once you've turned on this option, remember to save your changes. You'll typically find a Save button at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your modifications take effect immediately. A common mistake is navigating away without saving, resulting in losing your changes and necessitating starting over. After you've saved, take a moment to review your chart of accounts to see if the new account numbers are displaying as expected. This confirmation step ensures the feature has been activated correctly, giving you peace of mind as you proceed with your accounting tasks. In conclusion, enabling account numbers is a straightforward process that brings substantial benefits. It not only helps to streamline the organization of your accounts, but also enhances the accuracy of your financial reporting. Now, with account numbers activated, you're better positioned to track financial transactions, analyze data more efficiently, and ultimately make informed business decisions. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more helpful tutorials.